Welcome to New Car Toyota Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the 2015 to 2017 Toyota Camry Mudflap Splash Guards, a complete set of 4. These guards mount to your front and rear wheel wells to protect your Camry's paint and body panels from rocks, mud, and road spray every time you drive. These splash guards are designed specifically for the 2015 through 2017 Toyota Camry, fitting popular trims like the LA, SE, XLE, and XSE. Your Toyota Camry Mudflap Splash Guards shield the lower body panels and wheel wells from road debris, gravel, and salt spray that cause rust and paint damage. Without them, every drive kicks up material that chips paint and accelerates corrosion on rocker panels and quarter panels. Genuine OEM guards are molded to your 2015 to 2017 Camry's exact body lines for a flush, no-drill fit that aftermarket universal flaps can't match. Head over to our website to shop our full catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts. Every order is backed by a factory warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping right to your door. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call and have your VIN ready. We'll look it up and confirm the exact right part for your car. You can find your VIN on the lower corner of your dashboard, on the driver's side door jamb, or on your registration card. It's 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with New Car Toyota Parts, genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.